Hello friends and welcome to my Rico kitchen, and this is Rico juicer mixer grinder. Instead of buying only a mixer grinder, you can buy a juicer mixer grinder, which is a juicer and a mixer combined, जो ज़्यादा economical है ना? A good idea? ये है a centrifugal juicer which extracts juice from almost all fruits and vegetables till the last drop and neatly and quickly. Wow! I make carrot juice daily for my children. Perfect carrot juice, है ना? Now coming to the mixer grinder portion, it also has two jars. One for wet grinding for chutneys and second one for dry grinding. और ये jars and blades है इतने solid that you can even grind stones. It has an unbreakable top cover and a universal blade ताकि आपको बार-बार blades बदलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. This is the grinder portion of Rico juicer mixer grinder. This is the large quantity jar and this is the lesser quantity jar. And here we have three options for grinding. Buy a Rico juicer mixer and grinder. Save money and get things done faster. Rico makes home a happy place.